Tomorrow's utilities will not follow a centralized approach to energy production, transmission, and distribution. Instead, they will adopt a more democratized and innovative strategy, with particular attention to renewable sources, considering multiple factors and digital information coming from the field to predict energy consumption and optimize the management of the whole network. In this scenario, we cover the entire energy chain, providing leadership, process expertise, and technological innovation to transform the field service of the largest multinational companies in the industry. In the production phase, we streamline technical activities on assets, even in hard-to-reach areas, integrating with IoT tools to manage predictive maintenance and supporting engineers through remote collaboration capabilities. When transporting and storing energy, we innovate all operations on distribution lines and work sites, from inspections to field interventions, by harnessing our 20-year experience in GIS, cartography, mobility, and high-volume activity scheduling. In the transformation and distribution stage, we cover both technical and commercial cycles, including quotations, meter installation, and reading, as well as customer service, using the most advanced augmented reality and artificial intelligence tools, efficiently organizing field resources, optimizing activity scheduling, managing service provision through subcontractors, tracking technical assets, and monitoring plants and distribution lines. These are only a few of our distinctive factors that support our clients in enhancing their customer service and make us ranked among top solution providers for the utilities industry, according to renowned IT consulting firms. OverIT, leadership and vision for your field service transformation.